coming back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my potato salad. For this you'll need 4 large red potatoes, a can of olives, 2 eggs, mustard, and 2 whole dill pickles, and about a 1/3 cup of pickle juice, and salt and pepper. First, we are going to slightly peel our red potatoes. I like a little bit of the skin in my potato salad, just makes it look pretty. This is optional, you can remove all the skin if you would like. If you're making this for your barbecue parties or for a larger group of people, of course you want to add more potatoes, but because I'm the only person in my house who likes potato salad, I'm only going to use 4. Now we're going to chop our potatoes, slice it down the middle into thirds, and some more thirds, so you want the cubes like that. Now we're just going to give these one more rinse. Now to a medium pot, we're going to add our potatoes. I cooked my eggs and potatoes at the same time, so we're going to add our 2 eggs. Our water. We're just going to let this cook for 10 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. Our potatoes are cooking. We are going to slice our pickle. Now you can buy the ones that are already diced, but I like mine with chunkier pickles. And again the other way, to make sure they're interflows. Make sure when opening your can, you rinse it first. Now we're just going to add our olives and our pickles together, and a splash of olive juice, pickle juice. And once our potatoes and eggs are done cooking, we'll combine everything. I am going to tell you, I like my potato salad a mixture of like chunky potato and creamy potato, and then the crunch from the pickle, the olive in there to give the tang. So I did let my potatoes cool down for about 5 minutes. I am going to now combine my egg and potatoes together. So just slightly chop your eggs and potatoes. And we are going to add in our pickle and olives and olive juice and pickle juice. Now we are going to add about a tablespoon of yellow mustard and about a 1/2 cup to a cup of mayo. I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Now these are both to taste. Now we tasted and adjusted our potato salad. We're going to garnish it off with some paprika, make it look pretty, and some more of the olives that we saved. Now olives, pickles are optional. I just like this in my potato salad. Okay, just put this in the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours, or if you're having a barbecue, make this the day before and it will taste extremely better the next day. Okay everybody, I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content, and hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end of the video.